Alright guys, so right now I'm just doing a cold start, and this is the night before, and we're going to do a little comparison. I don't have the decibel reading right now, but I will get that for tomorrow, and here we go.
My ex-wife. Headers.
Put these back on.
Under a service member or a shooting sports competitor, you deserve tools created by other Americans who share
all back together
and utmost pride in performance, and that is Grove Tech. You can find them at grovetech.com, and they like to say, you grovetech.com, and this is the Lars Larson Show.
That's in silent mode. I forgot I left it in silent mode. I forgot why it sounded so quiet. I think he just changed it. Alright guys, so I don't think he changes it actually, so please don't be changed. Okay, hell yes. Stealth mode. Okay guys, are you ready to hear it in track mode? Oh my gosh, here we go. Alright, track mode enabled. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So that's just idling right now. Running off smoke. This is actually nuts. Like, look how far I'm going back. Like, I don't even know how far to tell you back I am. Guys, welcome back. I am leaving the shop and just got the headers and X-pipe installed, so I'll leave the windows down a little bit. Hopefully you can see it. I'm going to take off and experience this for the first time, and I want to record it, so that's why I'm recording this, so I can get a real first impression of what it sounds like. I've already heard it before. When he was on the dyno, he revved it a couple times and it was absolutely insane. But so let's see what this is like here. Oh dude, it's so loud already. I barely even touched it. Oh, that's crazy, dude. It's way louder than it was. So I can't wait to floor it. I already know where I'm gonna go. I'm going to pick up my friend, he's gonna check it out. I cannot wait. So that took about 7 hours. I got there at 9 and I just left at 4:45, so somewhere around there. 4:45 plus 7 and 3/4 hours altogether. But the install was like 4.5. 4.25 to 4.5, so. Oh. My friend just called me. Not my friend I'm going to pick up. Come on. Yo!
Yeah!
Dude, I just got everything installed. I just left.
Yeah!
Dude, listen to this. First rip. Oh my gosh! That was insane, bro! Oh my gosh! Dude, that sounded so good!
Yeah!
Yo, this Mazda's ripping up next to me. Dude, that guy's like... The guy's just staring at me, dude. This chick just broke her neck, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. This is the life I've signed up for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. That was nuts.
Just got it installed right now?
Yeah, I just left. This is my first drive. That was the first time I floored it. The first.
Yeah.
Yo, check this out. Second gear. Holy. Dude.
That's pretty sick, man.
Oh, dude, there's a cop right there. Oh. Oh my God. Luckily I didn't. Luckily this red is light and he just went the opposite way, dude. Dude, that would have been so bad if I just got pulled over in the first 7 minutes. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. was nuts.
Holy.
Yeah, dude. Holy. That's for real. Dude, unbelievable. All right, I'm gonna drop it 4 gears. Oh my gosh! That was literally insane. That was literally insane.
Whoa.
Yo, this guy, I just broke this guy's neck so hard. He's putting up a fence. Oh my gosh, he whipped his neck so hard. Oh my gosh. This is so sick, dude! I'm gonna start it. And he already knows what the car has sounded like a long time. Alright, check this out.
Oh, that's louder.
Yeah, it sounds different.
Right at the beginning, it just like makes you jump a little bit.
Yeah.
Compared to usual. Compared to how it was before.
Alright, hold on, let me rev it real quick.
Okay.
I haven't really revved it, so this will be a first for me. Yeah, dude.
That's way loud.
Yeah, I want to rev it for me.
Okay. Dude, it is so loud.
Yeah.
You're gonna love it.
Okay. One more. Oh, dude! So sick.
That's so
sick.
That's so nasty.
That's nasty. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's so nasty.